Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's Happy Me on a Budget here, bringing you another week of decorating my mini happy planner, and the date for that is the 18th to the 24th of this month, which is March, and the time is just going. It's a beautiful day today in London, I have to say. For the past 2 weeks it's been heavily windy and also raining, but it seemed to have settled down today. Don't know if we're going to continue to have such gorgeous weather. The sun is out and the wind has definitely slowed down. I mean, it got to the point where all my daffodils were breaking because of the wind was so strong, but they've sort of lifted themselves and they've heightened as well. They've really grown because of the rain and the sunshine mixture. It's just been crazy, our weather, but grateful all the same. You know, he's got his plans, so he knows what's going on. Anyway, let's get on with this. So this was last week's. So we're going to, this part of the page, I always keep it just to, normally I jot down stuff to follow through to the following week, but, or I put sticky notes here, it really doesn't matter to me. But anyway, these are all the stuff that I've got to do for this week, so let's get started, eh? One more week for March and that's it. Okay. Rightio, let's get started. I got some washi tape out, needed some washi tape, and I also got some bits and pieces of themes. I've got some of my kit that I was subscribed to from surprise.com. I thought I'd start using up some of these because I do have quite a few still, so I'll use up some of those. And also I'm gonna maybe take something out of the Amy Tangerine American Craft sticker book, and also the LOL and the Choose Happy sticker book. So these three and some of these kits, so just see how I go. I think I might do some flowers, but we'll see, Okay, so we'll start with, and I noticed with this washi tape, the glitter washi tape, it's not, after time it does get unsticky, if that makes sense. So I like to just secure it a little bit. And even though the sun is out in London and it's bright, it still have been quite chilly out. You still had to kind of wrap up. Wasn't that warm? Still had to put your sort of your woolies on and stuff. Well, I had to anyway if I was nipping out, because it's still very cold. So I plan to cook soup every Saturday whilst it's still cold out. It does help, it warms me up. I'm going to use some of this light blues. so that's done. Just to kick it all off, I thought I would use this one. It says do a little good every day, and I think that is good for me. So if I put it here, and going to put this here just to remind me of my 30-minute daily walk. It says walk the walk, Jazzy. Serious times now. I have to start looking after myself. These are little sticky. This is a hexagon. This one's a hexagon, I think. Little sticky bullet points, or whatever you want to call them. I'll put this one here one day. So it's hexagons, circles, and I think there's love hearts. Yeah. So it's hexagon, circles, love hearts. Let's try and see if we can keep them in the same pattern. Hexagon, circle, love heart, they're nice and sticky, but they fold easily. got hexagon, circle, love heart, hexagon, circle, love heart, and we'll do another hexagon here for Sunday. And then we've got Hello Weekend. We've got some me time on Sunday. Got my bullet points. That's my 30 minutes walking. So get in there. My grandson's birthday on Friday. Go girl. Family. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up please, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of yourself. Bye for now. Bye bye.